The price action on Terra Luna Classic, actually it's not doing too bad. Terra Luna Classic still sitting around that 17,000 point per coin mark. Bitcoin staying elevated above 21,000. Ethereum remains above $1,500 per coin. And things are looking decent in the cryptocurrency space right now. But there's still a lot that's brewing out there in terms of regulation, in terms of the government cracking down, and in terms of people viewing cryptocurrency as some sort of a scam or fraud. So that's kind of the overall macroeconomic outlook on things right now. We'll briefly discuss that, but I want to dive into Terra Luna Classic here and talk about some of the good things, because we've been building from the ground up, and I want to talk about the community, I want to talk about the burns, and I want to talk about the development. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. You guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff. You got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you hold your cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange, it is considered a loan to the centralized exchange. If you want it to be considered your asset, you need to hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, let's discuss Terra Luna Classic, because, look, we are maintaining these price levels in a very uncertain time for cryptocurrency. Now, one of the latest reasons crypto in general was moving back up in price, and this does not make much sense to me. I briefly discussed it in one of the videos yesterday. If you guys want to, if you want a little bit more detail, go watch that video. But the new CEO, the guy that's restructuring, I think his name's John Ray, the one that's restructuring FTX, is stating that there is a chance FTX could make a comeback. And on that news, you got Bitcoin going back up a little bit, Shiba, Terra, they're going back up a little bit. And to me, okay, great. If that's a legitimate move forward and the customers on FTX can get a bigger portion of their money back, perfect. But man, when you start to look at the profit potential and when you start to look at how easy it is to make money when you're running an exchange like FTX and everybody's lying to everybody, that may not be the best path forward. It might be time for that one to shut down and move on to somewhere else. But anyway, that's one of the things that's affecting the overall cryptocurrency market right now. I want to focus on Terra Luna Classic, and then we might jump into some of the regulation that could be coming down the pipelines or coming down the stream, or whatever you want to say. So Terra Luna Classic, the community, is actually doing very well to get along with each other right now. There's no major arguments about developer pay, burns, or anything like that. There's no major arguments about proposals or anything going on out there. So it's always a good sign to see a community united. Terra Luna Classic would not be here if it wasn't for a community united. Guys, when Terra Luna Classic was sitting at 4,000 points per coin, and we began to discuss the potential 1.2% burn tax and re-enabling staking and all of that, with 99+% yes votes, is how we had such progress and how we were able to attain such price increases during that time. And that's kind of where we are right now. The community is happy, the community is in agreement, and Terra Luna Classic is looking solid on that front. Now, when it comes to development, what do we have going on? The Layer 1 development team, not really causing any ripples, seems to be getting along, seems to be paid, and everybody happy at the moment. So that is looking very good as well, with the Layer 1 blockchain of Terra Luna Classic being upgraded and being maintained. On another development front, you've got Terra C Vita developing a layer nothing. It is a decentralized exchange plus. I don't know what the plus is really for, but it's basically a decentralized exchange that is going to be burning Terra Luna Classic along with their own cryptocurrency. So you got to watch out for the crypto token. They're trying to convince everybody that it's not going to dilute Terra Luna Classic shareholders moving over into Terra shareholders and so on. But, you know, a lot of these coins that are built upon other coins, they do very well in the beginning, and then as kind of the excitement fades out a little bit, the price fades out a little bit as well. So please be aware of that. But nonetheless, it could be a great development, a great layer. Why do I want to say layer? It could be a great decentralized exchange that burns a lot of Terra Luna Classic. I don't believe it's going to burn tens of billions a day like a lot of people are anticipating, but nonetheless, it could be a good thing. I don't see how it could really be a bad thing at this point, unless, of course, you know, ill intentions are in there somewhere, which I don't think they are. And let's talk about, so that leads us into burns a little bit. Burns are looking good. Burns are averaging right now 200 million Terra Luna Classic per day, but that includes all of the manual burns as well. The burn tax is hitting anywhere from 10 to 50 million Terra Luna Classic per day, which is nothing to really write home about. And, you know, we're relying on Binance to come in. The Binance burn that is supposed to happen in March, everything seems to be lining up for that. The layer 1 developers seem to be getting everything rolling for the Binance burns and the kind of, oh, I don't know, recommendations that they said to make to the blockchain and the wallets and the taxes and stuff. Those are getting completed. So it does seem to be that Binance will be burning in March, and that is going to be a massive burn. We have to remember, it is going to be 50% of their trading fees as opposed to 100% of their trading fees like they were doing in the past. But it's going to be for like 3 months, man. It's going to be all of December, all of January, and all of February that gets burnt, I believe, on March 1st. So it should be a pretty big burn. I don't know what the volume has been looking like over the last month and a half, and nobody can anticipate what the volume is going to be over the next month and a half. But nonetheless, 3 months worth of burns in a single action should be a very large burn, which excites people and kind of something we've been anticipating for a while now. So guys, we got nothing but good news out there. The overall cryptocurrency market, however, may be getting hit hard with regulation. You've got senators talking about the potential banning of cryptocurrency. You've got the SEC cracking down and opening up cases with Genesis and Gemini and so on, and still settling their case with Ripple out there. You've got, you know, the government over in India talking about banning cryptocurrency just in general. I believe that 2023 is going to be a year of regulation and a year of revolution for crypto. It is going to lead to some very difficult growing pains, but if we can make it through and crypto remains intact, it is going to be a very strong year to build upon. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on Terra Luna Classic. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.